In this video, I'm going to show you how to go live on Instagram easily. As you can see, I got a new account here, and in order to do this, we're going to have to go to the top right with the 3 lines, and then you're going to scroll down until you see Professionals, Account Type, and Tools. We'll tap on that, and then you're going to switch to Professional Account. You'll see this. We're going to tap on Next, and you're going to have to select what best describes you. Either of these work. We're just going to do Digital Creator and then switch to Professional Account. Now, it's going to take up to 30 seconds, and when this is done, you will be able to get more options in your settings. And as you can see right there, what type of professional are you? Creator or business? We'll do creator, and then next, and then we'll do okay. And then from there, you can do all this other stuff to set up your account, but we're just going to exit. And if we go back, as you can see, there's a plus button on the top right, and right here, we got all the different options right here. Now, in the case of your account, you need at least 1,000 followers to live stream, so you'll have the option to live stream right here. But if you have a small account like mine, you will not be able to do that. So just get to 1,000 followers and you'll be able to do this, and this process works 100%. But that's all for today. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe.